Hey guys, welcome to my channel Short Talks with Ishita. So today I'm going to take an interview of Miss Mosmi Sinha. Every teacher dreams of shaping a child's future in her own beautiful, creative and special way. Well, here's a teacher who has not only dreamt of it, but has eventually transformed her lifelong dreams into a shining reality. A Bharat Shiksha Ratna awardee, a renowned teacher and the founder director of the Crayon School, Miss Mosmi Sinha, is considered as one of the leading pioneers in the field of early education. So now let's welcome Miss Mosmi Sinha. So let me welcome a Bharat Shiksha Ratna awardee, Miss Mosmi Sinha, who is also the founder director of the Crayon School. Hello ma'am, how are you today?
Hi Ishita, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great ma'am. So welcome to my channel Short Talks with Ishita.
Thank you very much.
So can you tell me about something about yourself?
Yeah, I'm the founder director of the Crayon School. I was in education sector from past 15 years. So after working in very renowned school in Delhi, I just turned up to complete my dream. Just follow my dream and started my own venture, which is in the name of the Crayon School, because I love to work with the children. I love to nurture them, and I am very passionate about doing something new, something innovative in the education sector.
Okay, amazing. So ma'am, what is your success strategy and statement?
My success strategy is that, Ishita, I never fear of doing the tough things, because there is a saying that when the going gets tougher, the tougher gets going. So I always believe in accepting the challenges, because I am a very optimistic kind of person. So I always accept the challenge and take it in a very positive manner, and I give my 100% to do that, and I think I come over that every time.
Okay ma'am. So how do you overcome your fears and obstacles in your path of career?
Ishita, see, as a human being, I think everybody felt somehow we have obstacles in our life or in our career. But I think, as I told you, the hard work has no substitute. So always give your 100%, always do the hard work, always be truthful to yourself, and you will succeed in life.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, it is a matter of pride that the Crayon School has recently won the award for the best innovative preschool in India. So can you tell my audience that what innovations have you made in your school?
Yeah, Shita. As you know, we are the only one on the first preschool chain in India who has implemented the intentional teaching techniques. Right. So our curriculum is mostly based on the child interest, and it's a child-centric curriculum, you can say. Then we are now digitalizing all our curriculum. So our curriculum will be available easily with the parents on the digital platforms. And apart from this, we are working on the multicultural education system also. So we are tying up with other schools abroad, in which our kids can get the access of their classrooms, and in this way we will do the multicultural education. Then we are bringing the app-based learning system in the classrooms for our child, which will be very you can say the child friendly and the parent friendly also. So it will be easy for the parents also to access our curriculum and teach the way as we are doing in the school. Then right now, presently I am working on an EduTech project which is based on artificial intelligence. So these are some of the innovations which are doing in our school.
Okay. So ma'am, how do you manage your personal life as well as the school together?
See, Ishita, what I think is, if you are passionate about something, like if you are passionate about your work, so you can go to do anything beyond your capability, right? So we all of us have got the 24 hours, and I love my work, I love my family. So in the same way, I just manage both the things.
Okay. So what would you like to advise to teenage students like us?
The advice which I can give you, Ishita, is that only follow your dreams, be passionate about whatever you do in your life, give your 100% to everything just to complete your dreams, and always be truthful. So that these some of these lines, if you follow in your life, nobody can stop you being successful.
Yes, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am, for your valuable insights today. I am sure all of us who are watching this channel will be inspired from all the things you shared and all the things you are doing in your path of career. And I'm really happy to have you today on my channel. And I wish you a lot of success in your path of career and as well as your personal life.
Thank you, Ishita.
And whoever wants to connect with ma'am can go on the LinkedIn profile given below in the description box. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishita, for bringing me today on your channel. And I also wish success for your channel and for you in your path of life. Thank you, Ishita, very much.
Thank you, ma'am.